Did you know that 99% of the world's Fortune companies rely on one software to manage their operations? It's called SAP. And here's why it's a game changer. SAP, or Systems, Applications and Products, is a global leader in enterprise software. Founded in 1972, it helps businesses run smoothly by managing everything from finances and logistics to payroll and manufacturing. Its flagship ERP system, S/4HANA, integrates these operations into one powerful platform, trusted by companies like Apple, Walmart, and Google. SAP's cloud-based solutions like SuccessFactors and Analytics Cloud add even more flexibility, enabling businesses to innovate faster. With over 440,000 customers across 180 countries, SAP is the backbone of industries worldwide. Fun fact, SAP customers produce 64% of the world's ice cream and distribute 78% of its food. Want to learn more about SAP or explore career opportunities? Hit like, subscribe, and check out Upskeeling for in-depth insights. SAP is everywhere. Are you ready to be part of it?